Hi, I will be showing you how to make a quick and easy paper airplane. First, you want to fold your paper in half as you see. And then fold it not all the way to the bottom, but just so there's a little space. And then fold the paper to the crease you just made. And then fold it again. And now you want to make two triangles to the center. Open that up, and then take the corners and fold it to the creases. And then take those and tuck them in. And then fold the paper in half. Take the wings and fold them to the bottom. We're done. Thanks for watching.